With the vision of leveraging collaborative discussions and integrated actions for a healthier post-pandemic world, India took over the G20 presidency on 1st December 2022. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi unveiled the theme of One Earth, One Family, One Future, or Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, affirming the value of all life forms and their interconnectedness on planet Earth. India has already established its leadership in the healthcare sector and is known as the pharmacy of the world. To further the cause of the G20 presidency, India focused on 3 key health priorities. First, health emergencies prevention, preparedness and response, with a focus on One Health and antimicrobial response. Second, strengthening cooperation in the pharmaceutical sector for availability and access to safe, effective, quality and affordable medical countermeasures, vaccines, therapeutics and diagnostics. Third, digital health innovations and solutions to aid universal health coverage and improve healthcare service delivery. In accordance with these priorities, the 3 health working group meetings were held in Kerala, Goa and Telangana. Additionally, India hosted 13 co-branded events covering topics like tuberculosis and digital health. For the health ministers meeting under India's G20 presidency, delegates from around the world gathered in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The city welcomed them with warmth and festivities, thus setting the stage for the momentous occasion. 29 ministers from G20 invited nations and more than 300 delegates participated in the event. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya inaugurated the G20 Health Ministers meeting and shared his vision for a healthier future for all.
विश्व में हिंदुस्तान फार्मेसी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड तो है, लेकिन आज सभी डेलीगेट्स बोल रहे थे और उसका ओपिनियन से वो बोल रहे थे कि आने वाले दिनों में हम हॉस्पिटल ऑन अर्थ होंगे, यानी कि दुनिया ट्रीटमेंट कराने के लिए इंडिया में आएंगे, ऐसा विश्वास ये लोगों ने व्यक्त किया.
The distinguished health leaders spoke about the collaboration and integration of global resources.
You know, from the start, when this was announced by the government some years ago, the Ayushman Bharat initiative, WHO supported, because we believe that primary health care, countries should invest in primary health care. That's what we have been telling countries, and India is actually doing that. And for any health system, a strong primary health care is key, because most of the services can be provided at primary health care level, more than 80%. And not only that, outbreaks can be prevented at primary health care and can be detected early at primary health care level. So the investment in primary health care in Ayushman Bharat by the government of India is the right investment.
So India G20 presidency, it's not about government or policies. It's about you, the people of India. It's about the fact that you have shown up in this historical moment in the global shift. During COVID, we saw the push. We saw your country push to get vaccines, vaccine maitri to the whole world. And I want to say thank you to India for the lives that you managed to help us save.
I'm truly impressed by all the progress and the innovation that is being held here in terms of drug development, vaccines, innovation of healthcare, digitalization and data. And all of this comes together at this very, very important international meeting organized by India with great gratitude for both the hospitality and the innovation. And the topics here are relevant for the population of India as a whole, but also for the world population. In that respect, it truly is, as your Prime Minister says, one health, one people and one future.
In Indonesia, I want to give medicine to our people with the best access, so easy to access, best quality, and also best price. I've looked around many countries and I'm convinced that India has the best.
Under India's inclusive, ambitious, and action-oriented G20 presidency, the global initiative on digital health was launched to unify efforts within the digital healthcare landscape. The Global Summit on Traditional Medicine highlighted the role of traditional, complementary, and integrative medicine to combat health challenges. The launch of Advantage Healthcare India showcased India as the new hub of medical tourism. The Health Ministers' meeting also served as a platform for bilateral cooperation and regional cooperation. The launch of a World Bank report, Digital in Health, Unlocking the Value for Everyone, presented a novel approach towards digitization. India MedTech Expo highlighted India's journey and opportunities in the sector. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the delegates and emphasized the importance of equitable access to technology for everyone.
Global health systems should also be resilient. We must be ready to prevent, prepare, and respond to the next health emergency.
The cultural programs unfolded a magnificent display of India's vibrant culture and culminated with a vivacious Garba performance. Delegates also indulged in savoring the exquisite local cuisines infused with cultural flavors. After the successful culmination of the event, we foresee a world where medical research breakthroughs are shared across borders and advanced healthcare facilities are accessible to everyone, with India leading the world in the healthcare sector. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. One Earth, one family, one future.
Vasudhaiva.